Hello everyone, welcome to English with Uma. Do you ever lie in bed at night, staring at the ceiling, feeling like your English is stuck in the same place no matter how many lessons you do during the day? You memorize new words, you watch videos, you even try speaking to yourself in the mirror. But the moment you need to have a real conversation, the words disappear. Your tongue feels heavy, your mind goes blank, and you think, why isn't this getting easier? If you're nodding right now, or maybe even feeling a little frustrated or tired just thinking about it, then listen carefully. This episode is made exactly for you. Today, we are going to talk about something very special, something most learners never even think about, but something that can quietly, powerfully, almost magically change how naturally you speak English. We are talking about how to let your brain learn English while you sleep, how to turn your nights into the most productive English lessons you've ever had, how to wake up every morning with smoother sentences, better pronunciation, more confidence, and words that just flow out without you forcing them. My friend, let me be very honest with you. Your conscious mind, the part of you that studies grammar, does exercises, repeats phrases, is important, but it's only a small part of the story. The real magic happens in your subconscious mind, that quiet, powerful part that works 24 hours a day, especially when your body is resting and your active thinking switches off. Because when you sleep deeply, your brain doesn't stop. It sorts, connects, strengthens, rewires. It takes everything you've been exposed to and decides what to keep forever. Think about this carefully. You can cram vocabulary for 2 hours and forget most of it by next week. You can force yourself to speak aloud and still feel shy and unnatural. But your subconscious, once it truly accepts a pattern, once it believes, I speak English fluently and naturally, that belief becomes automatic. You don't have to think about it anymore. It just happens. And the beautiful thing is, you cannot force your subconscious with willpower during the day the way you can force yourself to study, but you can feed it gently, lovingly, consistently every single night before you close your eyes. Every night of peaceful, intentional sleep is like a beautiful 7 to 9 hour gift wrapped especially for your English journey. What you allow into your mind in the last 30 to 60 minutes before sleep, and even softly during the first stages of sleep, becomes part of who you are when you wake up. If you go to bed replaying your mistakes, worrying, I'm not good enough, I speak too slowly, people will laugh, then guess what your subconscious is practicing all night? Those exact limitations. But if instead you feed it calm, confident, positive English patterns, simple, beautiful, encouraging phrases, then overnight your brain starts rehearsing success. You start waking up with a different feeling, lighter, more open, more ready. And here is the really good news, my friend. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to stay awake studying until 2 a.m. You can start changing your English tonight, right now, this very moment, with almost zero extra effort during your busy day. I'm going to share with you not just 5, but 7 deep, practical, life-changing ideas that I have used myself and that thousands of my students have used to make their spoken English smoother, more natural, and more confident simply by changing what happens at night. These are not theories from books. These are real tools that produce real results. Before we go deeper, let me tell you 2 real stories so you can feel how powerful this is. First story, a student named Priya, 28 years old, working in IT in Bangalore. She told me, Uma, I understand English perfectly when I read or listen, but when I try to speak in meetings, I freeze. I sound childish. I hate myself for it. I asked her one simple question. Priya, what is the last thing you think about or listen to before you fall asleep? She laughed nervously and said, usually I'm scrolling Instagram, watching funny videos in Hindi, or sometimes crying inside thinking about how bad my English is. I said, okay, let's try something different for just 21 nights. We created a short 15-minute playlist, slow, soothing English affirmations spoken in a calm female voice. Phrases like, I speak English clearly and confidently. My words come easily and naturally. Every day, my pronunciation improves, mixed with very soft background nature sounds. She played it every night on very low volume, falling asleep to it. After 3 weeks, she sent me a voice message. Her voice was shaking with happiness. She said, Uma, yesterday in a teen call, I answered a difficult question without planning the sentence in my head first. The words just came. I almost cried after the meeting. That's the power we're talking about. Second story. A young man named Arjun, preparing for IELTS speaking. He was scoring 6.0 to 6.5, but wanted 7.5 plus. He was doing everything right during the day, practice tests, vocabulary, fluency drills, but still sounded robotic and hesitant. I asked him to stop studying after 9 p.m. and instead do 20 minutes of shadow speaking, listening to a native speaker telling a short story very slowly and clearly, then repeating every sentence immediately after, in the same rhythm and tone, like an echo. Then he let the same audio loop very quietly all night, a sleep speaker or Bluetooth pillow speaker on lowest volume. After 6 weeks, his IELTS examiner actually wrote in feedback, natural flow and intonation, well done. He jumped to 8.0 in speaking. My friend, these are not miracles. These are biology. Your brain is designed to strengthen what it hears repeatedly when it's relaxed. So let's talk about how you can do this too. Here are 7 powerful ideas, deeper and more detailed than before, so you can really understand and apply them. First, treat the last hour before sleep as sacred English time. This is not study time, this is programming time. Imagine you are gently whispering to your future self. Would you shout criticism at your sleeping brain? No, you would speak kindness, encouragement, truth. So protect that hour. No heated arguments, no stressful news, no scrolling content that makes you feel small. Instead, dim lights, soft music or silence, and English that feels good to hear. Second, use short, powerful, positive English sleep affirmations, repeated slowly. Don't make them complicated. Best ones are simple, present tense, personal, emotional. Examples: I speak English fluently and naturally. My pronunciation is clear and beautiful. Words come to me easily and quickly. I feel calm and confident when I speak. I enjoy speaking English every day. I understand and respond naturally. Record them yourself in your own calm voice, or find high-quality, slow-spoken affirmation audios made for language learners, many free on YouTube or apps. Play on loop very quietly. Third, add shadow speaking or listen repeat just before bed. Choose 5 to 10-minute clips of very clear, slow, emotional native English. TED Talks slowed down, children's stories, calm podcasts, movie scenes with subtitles off. Listen once normally, then play again and speak every sentence right after the speaker, copying rhythm, stress, intonation, like singing along. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes max, then let the same audio continue softly as you fall asleep. Your brain keeps echoing it all night. Fifth, protect your sleep environment from fluency thieves. Turn phone to airplane mode or put it in another room after setting your audio. No notifications waking you up. No bright screen light tricking your brain into wakefulness. Use warm, dim light only. If you wake up at night, don't check your phone. Breathe slowly and repeat one affirmation in your mind 5 to 10 times. Fall back asleep with English in your head. 6th, track tiny overnight wins every morning. As soon as you wake, before you touch your phone, ask yourself 3 questions out loud in English. How do I feel about my English today? Did any new feeling or confidence appear? What felt easier this morning? Say the answers out loud, even if simple. Write one sentence in a notebook or phone note. Example, today I woke up feeling lighter about speaking. I said a full sentence in my dream in English. These morning reports train your conscious mind to notice subconscious progress, and that noticing makes the progress grow faster. 7th, connect every night's listening to your deepest reason for learning English. Why do you really want this? Write it big on paper next to your bed. Examples, so I can talk freely with my children studying abroad, so I can travel anywhere and feel safe, so I can get the promotion I deserve, so I can watch movies and laugh without subtitles, so I stop feeling ashamed when people switch to English. Every night before pressing play, look at your reason, say it quietly in English, feel it in your chest, then start the audio. That emotion supercharges the subconscious absorption. Now, my dear friend, let me be very clear once again. I'm not saying you should stop daytime practice. Daytime effort plus nighttime programming equals unstoppable progress. But if you only do daytime effort and go to bed full of doubt, fear, criticism, you are actually training yourself to stay stuck. Be intentional at night. Choose what your brain rehearses while you rest. The goal is not to become perfect tomorrow. The goal is gentle, steady, beautiful improvement, night after night. If tonight you forget and scroll instead, okay, tomorrow is new. If you only manage 5 minutes of affirmations, perfect. That's 5 minutes your brain didn't spend on doubt. Progress is progress. Be patient. Be kind. Celebrate every small shift. Let me leave you with one last picture. Imagine your mind is a beautiful garden. All day long you plant seeds, some good, study, listening, speaking, some not so good, self-criticism, comparison, stress. At night, when the world is quiet, the gardener comes, your subconscious. It waters, feeds, grows whatever seeds are strongest in the soil of your last thoughts. What seeds do you want growing while you sleep? Plant confidence, plant fluency, plant joy in English. Every night you get to choose. So here is my loving challenge for you. I will make it longer this time. Commit to 30 nights, not 7, 30 full nights. Choose 2 to 3 things from the 7 ideas above. Maybe affirmations plus shadow speaking plus morning check-in. Do them every single night for 30 days, no matter what. Even if you travel, even if you're tired, even if life is crazy, just 10 to 20 minutes. Then come back here after 30 days and tell me, voice message, comment, anything. How do you feel when you speak now? Are words coming faster? Is your voice less shaky? Do you catch yourself smiling while talking sometimes? Your story, your real, honest story, will give courage to hundreds of other learners who feel exactly like you did today. We are a family here. We rise together. You listening to this right now, you are already investing in yourself. You didn't skip this episode. You stayed till the end. That is strength. That is love for your future self. Your fluent, confident, happy English-speaking self is already growing inside you tonight. So when you finish this, take a slow breath, smile to yourself, feel proud, then go prepare your night, choose your audio, write your reason, dim the lights, press play. Let your brain do the beautiful work while you rest. You deserve this. Your dreams deserve this. Thank you so much for spending this long, deep time with me today. Thank you for believing in your own potential. Thank you for showing up for yourself. I am so, so proud of you. Keep going, my friend, night after night. Your fluent voice is coming. Your confident conversations are coming. Your proud smile when someone says, "Your English is so good," is coming. Sleep beautifully tonight. Let English grow inside you. I believe in you completely. Until the next story, sleep wisely, dream in English, and wake up a little more fluent every single day. You've got this. I'll see you soon. Take care.